Good morning, guys. We're gonna be going to the beach. It is 6:33 a.m. in the morning, and today we're gonna be going to the beach with my youth group. Before that, we're gonna be heading to, well, yeah, I'm gonna be heading over there in a few minutes to my hometown so that we can go to church first, because that's what the guy who basically runs it said we would do. We're gonna go to church first, and then we're gonna go eat some breakfast, and then we're gonna hit the road to go to the beach. I already changed into my church clothing. Anyways, back there I have my backpack. I packed a bunch of shorts, a bunch of shirts, 3 different bathing suits I can choose from when I get there so I can change it. I have my charger, my deodorant. Don't know how much of this is gonna be long because I don't know what we're gonna do. As you can tell, I'm in the car, heading out in a few minutes. My mom was like, let me drive you there instead, I wanna drop you off. They're so scared because they think that I'm gonna speed or something, but I'm not. I'm gonna be a-okay getting there to my hometown. It's only like 25 minutes away. So I think I'm gonna wait until like 6:50 to leave so that I get there like around 7:15ish. See ya. Oh, you're vlogging. We're getting ready to go. Yeah. I got breakfast sampler with some scrambled eggs and some bacon, some hash browns. There's Nayeli's.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring.
My question is, how are we gonna find them?
We're here with Nayeli. We made it to the beach. I got a Waz. Other crew is over there. They're coming over here where we're gonna meet up. Jimena went to go grab something from her car. We're gonna go to the bathroom, change into our swimsuits. There's no sun, so the water's gonna be hella cold. It's fun.
Oh shit.
So I'll never leave. It's easier to love.
Hey guys. Natalie's over there. Where is she? Sun tanning. The water is cold. Basically. Cold. They went to go play volleyball. And I think that's pretty much it.
You should take pictures here for your feed. Oh.
Yeah, but what would I take it of?
Huh?
What would I take it of?
Like a beach. That's why I bought a new outfit.
Here's Nayeli recording, and we're gonna go get our lunch. I can't even see the menu, bro.
Jennifer, Lizzie, Angelisa.
Are you FaceTiming your mom?
No.
There's all of them. Nayeli, zoom in them, Nayeli.
No, I look so bad.
Look at my crocs. We're gonna get a hot dog. Oh my god, dude. It doesn't even come up.
Did I get tan?
Does it even show up?
I don't know.
It doesn't even show up.
Like that. It's fine.
Anyways, we're getting food. I don't know. Alright guys. We got my chicken Caesar salad wrap. Looks dry as hell. This is my dressing. That's my Arizona. There's Natalie. Eating her french fries with her, what'd you get?
Chicken fingers. I don't know.
Chicken fingers. I don't know what the hell that looks like, but apparently anyone who has a pass can go into that pool. We don't, because we're poor as fuck. Not the best. It's alright.
You by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light.
There's Kathy. Show them what you got, Kathy.
Okay, so I got shrimp and veggies and some french fries.
Really good. I hate shrimp. You don't like shrimp? Shrimp's really good.
good for protein.
I hate anything.
Alright, Lizzie, show us what you got.
Oh, wait. I got cheese fries, mozzarella sticks, and chicken fingers.
Angelisa, what'd you get?
I got regular fries, chicken fingers, and mozzarella sticks.
Peachy, what'd you get?
Cheeseburger with bacon.
Dry as hell.
It's already recording.
Oh, yeah. I have to take
Hi guys. Wait, how do I make it the flip like that? Hi guys. Wait, how the fuck do I do this? Hi guys. This is my name. She's making rainbow room. My name's My name's Nayeli. This is Lizzie. That's Peach. That's Angelisa. That's Jenny. Obviously Timena. Hold on, let me flip the camera. Stop. How do we do this?
literally? Okay.
Like that. That's Jimena. That's Kathy. That's I don't know who that is. We have Pool there.
Say like,
Pool. Yeah, you can put that out, yeah. That's the ocean. The ocean. And yeah, how do I like stop recording?
damn.
That's my shot, guys. But then there'll be other ones.
You literally could have just gone up.
And you say, oh, I don't want to talk.
So we were playing volleyball earlier, and there's this one guy that I actually thought was cute.
Is this your guy?
Yeah. So he said he's gonna continue.
Guys, this is Nayeli again. And look at this view. We were eating here.
Okay. Full frame shot of that guy's face.
Para enseñar todas. Take your cow. No,
We're leaving the booth.
no, las que quieran párense, ya para.
And it's dark again, which is cool.
Oh, what's up, Peachy?
Over there's Nayeli and Natalie. We're going home. Basically, we're leaving. Jimena's already in the car. Yeah.
Well, this is good lighting.
I'm not gonna sleep because then Jimena's gonna want to sleep.
I'm gonna sleep.
I'm gonna take a shower when I get home.
Oh yeah, like same.
Got myself up in the backseat, driving till you on the back.